Hello, Hamish and Sandy talking about life insurance and their payouts. Do they actually pay out?
They do.
They do. And we're going to do a deep dive into one of the big insurance companies, right? AIA, and their actual claims record recently for 1 year. We'll focus on 1 year and what did they actually pay out?
Okay, so last year, AIA, they have more than 800,000 clients, and they have paid more than $734 million to
In claims?
for the claims, yeah.
And then you've got also, if we have a look at breakdown by ages, this gets really interesting, right? Because first of all, this is the total, and I was surprised here by the second biggest payout is for actually medical insurance.
Yeah, it's not the trauma, not other income protection. So the health insurance was the second most claim payout. It's because of the increasing demand for healthcare, and also it's linked to the escalating cost of healthcare.
And then if we look at, I'm surprised that 29-year-olds actually have insurance, but there's a bit payout out there. And I have noticed cancer is like the big, looks like the big thing, right? That seems to pop up here as one of the big issues that eventuate in life insurance payouts. Interestingly, when we get into, one thing you mentioned here as well, with income protection, not a lot of people have that. We're starting to feature mental health as you get older, even at younger ages, so even 40 to 49. Mental health seems to be a big thing there.
I think recently I have a report, I read a report. So the mental health issue is getting more serious in New Zealand for the Kiwis. One of the reasons is that because of the cost of living is escalating in these few years. So mental health is also one of the top reasons stopping Kiwis from working last year.
Wow. And then, so the other thing I noticed is that 40s is when the payouts, the big claims start, right? But as we start to touch the 50s, now you would think looking at this, well, I won't get my insurance till 50s. But you can't get clean insurance, right? Like if you've got the beginnings of some of these issues, it's hard to get cover once it starts.
Yeah, true. So I would usually reckon on our clients to have your insurance, to get on your insurance as early as possible. Because when you're healthy, you will be very likely to have a clean policy without any special terms like exclusions or loading. But if people, they have pre-existing medical conditions, they may be getting a policy with a special terms.
Yeah, and that's a bit more work for us, but we don't mind. So even if you have some issues, we don't mind doing some of the stuff and getting a good cover.
Yeah, and if you do have a special terms in your policy, actually, if you got a big improvement or a significant improvement for your conditions, most of the insurance companies, they are happy to review the special terms.
Okay. Well, look, thank you for your time, Sandy. I think that was kind of quite interesting.
Pleasure.
And thank you for watching. Hopefully that has been insightful.